that way, yeah. All of me team when we go up in the scheme. Some boy I said them bad, them only bad in them dream. 45 a boss a man I left up on the scene. Forensic come and shit up them brains.
Hola, pool. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now, for the dear ones that when ready for touch on someone else, right now we said so. Wow, go on Belize, I don't know what's happening over there. Big up my cousin from Belize said time, I don't know what's happening. Right now I say, yo, we have King Brack. Now I'm going to spoil any big up yourself. You see me, I said the viewers them recommend it. So I'm going to touch on that song and they recommend that one, yeah. The song is from 2 years back, but you know, so we don't really matter the year, you know. This one so we're going to represent for the people. You see me, I said the viewers themselves will say song called Who Run This official music video produced by DJ Perf. Big up yourself. Right now, we see what I'm going for Belize. Dancer. Let me say a dancer I do it. And I say so we see what I'm going. Be a fan in the comment section. And before this video begins, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I post every single day over here. So that's a good reason to subscribe. When you subscribe, I'm say you watch my channel from your country. Anyway, you followed from, come and check my YouTube and see which way you watch me from. I'm say represent food. I'm going to reaction every day if you don't want to reaction every day. You see me, I say some over channel. You see me, I say we don't play, represent for the people them. So comment, see your comment, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. I'm trying to reach 10k followers on Instagram, so go follow my Instagram right now. Make us see what pop for that video. Run tune. I don't know what to expect. Oh, the box flips. Riverside. Well, Riverside not there, Trinidad. Coconut tree.
DJ Perf. Now time me come a dance and me gun in a me female Perf. Nah, so me grow up. Riverside now.
Hey, it's like a natural disaster going to happen with the people. And you hear the beat jumping, you hear the man walking in that place, you see the man walking with him thugs them. It's all I say people dead. Go on!
Pussy we no make nice, run up on them and to know with this guy, so go tell them. Inna the blood clot place when me grow, a dog eat dog, we not just strong crow. Watch the people.
In a place same grow up, people make no say a dog name, dog. And the drunk when I'm dead animal again, and the drunk when I'm dead dog them. No, a dog eat dog, it don't trust Jankro. Go on!
The blood clot no, can't come at me yard if me and you no grow up. Who run this, who run this? Who run this, who run this?
Alright.
Who run this, who run this?
Yeah.
Yo, perfect, we started that way, yeah. All of me team when we go up in the scheme. Some boy I said them bad, them only bad in them dream. 45 a boss a man I left up on the scene. Forensic come and shit up them brains.
Hola, pool! What? Every time on the first step, it's something from somewhere else that is not Jamaica dancehall. Maybe a different vibes too. I heard that so you deserve the lighter. BS6 lighter. BS6 outside, tell you see them try. And true, me can see what go on, people. Song shot, man. Jack the fire motion in the comment section. Jack the fire motion in the comment section.
DJ Perf.
Yeah.
Now time me come a dance and me gun in a me female
Dance the gun and female Perf.
Nah, so me grow up. Riverside now I how me grow up. Pussy we no make nice, run up on them and to know with this guy, so go tell them. Inna the blood clot place where me grow up. Dog eat dog, we not just strong crow. Watch the people the blood clot no. Can't come at me yard if me and you no grow up. Who run this, who run this? Who run this, who run this?
Them glass are like an orange juice in a drink. If I'm lying, I'm dying. But the dog I say, if you ain't don't grow, you can't come in yard if you ain't even not grow. No friend thing. You have to be friend from day 111 from a picnic stage. Go on.
This who run this. Yo, perfect, we started that way, yeah. All and me team when we go up in the scheme. Some boy I said them bad, them only bad in them dreams. 45 a boss a man I left up on the scene. Forensic come and shit up them brief. Yeah,
the dogs them away brief. The boy don't come and shit up them brief. They must say them bad, but they only bad in them dreams. Talk to them, not that. Go on.
Rap man, and we no rap man. And if a pussy violate, we a shot man. Hey, ratty can pull out the pump action. Boy, get a whole of the thing, not a fraction. Tell them this. Inna the blood clot place when me grow. A dog eat dog, we no trust John Crow. Watch the people a blood clot know. Can't come at me yard if me and you no go. Who run this? 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 Yo, perfect, we started that way, yeah. Youngest, how will I run up on them ends and deal with them quick? We no boss one pack, we empty full clip.
The dog gets him no boss one pack, people him empty full clip. Right now, go talk to the young viewers and what do you think about the song, yeah? What do you think about the song, yeah? How am I go on? And me I say, right now, me say I go on with bad, with beard, because I'm bad. You see me, I'll be a fan more supposed to in the comment section right now. And see if you're from Belize, I'm saying to you, dog. You know, subscribe to the channel if you're from Belize and you're watching this video right now. Subscribe to the channel, recommend some more Belize songs I want to react to. You see me, I say. And if you never know spoiler alert, I like seeing the spoiler alert. Spoiler alert, I like seeing the females in the videos. See if you have some video with the big batty girl in my Turkey, Tamale Sparta, Jesus Christ. Today's a nice day. I'll be a video on that post. But if you like me like seeing the females themselves for having the music video, the girls are going to borrow the big batty girl night. Just comment it down below. Let me know how I go. And see me and say,
you never hear about them in an hour from primary school. Yeah, was a man. We used to double ride and coffee them quick. No job is a the man. So put on grip. Me glad none of me dogs are not beating sticks. So go a stand deep before we used to flip.
The dogs say none of them dogs are not bait. Yo, people, if you song bad don't want to see BFI emotion in the comment section again as me I say. Because you know who run this in a dog. Me! The reaction boss, copy the merch and that's definitely can. I now push it on nobody's face, but they don't know it chop it dead, it's available. Copy it. Reaction boss merch outside. Go on.
Blood clot place when me grow. A dog eat dog, we not trust John Crow.
Who run this?
The people the blood clot know. Can't come at me yard
if you know you're the bro.
Who run this?
Who run this?
Who run this?
That's my real pass on bicycle dog. Bicycle dog roll pass.
Yo, perfect, we started that way, yeah. Blood clot place when me grow.
Yeah.
This me now.
Nobody
we not bring gun for sure, got
sir, sure. But the American of America, I like that them say zinc stop up. But little farm them dog, get me and say little. You know, when them call them something there again, that remember what them call them something there in a dog. Buckwheat dog, but a normal house in a zinc roof and anything there dog. You hear me and say, John, what them know about that?
Now we no papi show, this me now.
I don't know about the board house there.
Who got this? Yo, birth me like them career, yeah.
Sang done for me. I want one song for them. Just want to see what I go on, you see me? Who run this?
Yeah, me no DJ Birth.
DJ Birth.
What that?
Run Belize Flames. Me ratted. Dog, big up on yourself, you know, people. Thanks for checking on the reaction boss video. Person recommend me to start the Belize. I see around 4 somebody that recommend it and I say, no, what? That is enough for me start. This is what I say. So big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Remember, comment in the favorite song you want me react to from Belize or from your country. Anyway, you're forward from me telling them to Uno, the viewers them. And I support me, I support you, I couldn't say what I want to say. You know that, go ready. You me, I say, if all the artists them want the business, email me. We reply to email more than reply to a DM. But follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs, people. You see me, so I try to grow over this. So, it's been about Tyrekevlogs. Peace.